This conference will now be recorded.
So here in this course of SAP S/4HANA Asset Management, in this course we will cover all the best practice scenarios in the industry. So we will take one example of oil and gas industry or any utility company, and I'll take further one more example from the real estate company. So we'll understand all the best practices scenario within the asset management in S/4HANA system. And here we will take the industry real-time business cases. Okay, so it's not like just we are directly going for notification creation or function location creation. Okay, we'll understand the relevance of all the master data objects or the processes as per the industry requirement. Okay, so when we are going with understanding of the different business processes, first of all we will understand the business process steps, and then we'll understand how we can execute the transaction. So wherever it is relevant, I'll show you three FIORI apps, and in some of places where we need to understand from the GUI side, we will go to understand GUI transactions also. And then we will understand the configuration, relevant configuration. So whatever the processes we are covering with reference to, we'll understand the business transactions and then configuration. So these will be the steps. Okay. Here in this course, we'll provide you customized study material, and then we'll give you some assignments, mock test, and all the study, all the contents, course contents will be as per the S/4HANA Asset Management certification. So whatever the sessions we are conducting, we will record, okay, and then we'll keep all the recorded sessions on MyBandhu, my online education app. You can download these apps through these links. Okay, these apps you can download through this link, or if you need any help, you can directly contact us here on the training@mybandhu.com or any one of this number. Okay, and to get more relevant recordings, okay, similar videos, useful videos, you can subscribe our channel, and you like videos so that it will be available in your inbox for the next time. So here in this session, my agenda is to explain here how to create notification through FIORI. Okay, so in previous session, we understood how we can create notification through GUI, graphical user interface, in IW21 transaction. Okay, so I have taken one example where we understood, let's say there is one township, and this township is having different buildings, and these buildings floors are there, and then within floors we are having apartment, and then the person who's the tenant who's staying in that particular apartment, he got some issue in AC. Okay, installed AC, and then he informed to customer care, and then customer care is creating a notification by collecting all the details, all the details from the tenant, and then it is taken forward. Okay, so here my agenda is to explain how you can create notification through FIORI, and then we'll understand the navigation within the available FIORI apps for the notification, especially for the notification. Okay, so first of all, I'll show you the available functional location hierarchy which we created in last session. So in this session, with reference to that function location, I'll create one notification in the FIORI. That will be the step here. So let me open my system. Okay, so now here you can see my system. Okay, so this is my FIORI system. Here I can, it's S/4HANA 2020 latest one. Okay, and to see the different available app here, you can check in the groups. Okay, so these are the groups: maintenance plan, maintenance item, notification, object network, order, task list. All these are relevant to plant maintenance or asset management or enterprise asset management. Okay, so here if you are not getting exact group on your screen, you can come from this menu, okay, and you can check it here. Okay, so there are different groups are coming, and let's say I just want to open notification. So here I can click here notification. So accordingly, I'll see this group available on my screen. Okay, so when I'm coming here, in this group, we are having a manage notification list. This app, through this app, we can see the list of the notifications. Okay, and we can manage this notification. It is similar to IW28 transaction in GUI. So in that transaction, we are having very limited data, but it's a more detailed data available in this app. Change maintenance notification through this app. You can change the notification. It's a IW22 transaction. Create maintenance notification. Here it's IW21. Display maintenance notification. It is a IW23. Okay, and find maintenance notification. Here in this app, you can find maintenance notification in your system. Okay, so first of all, we'll understand how we can create a notification here. Okay, but before that, let me show you in SAP GUI available hierarchy. Okay, so the function to see the hierarchy of function location structure, you can use the transaction IH01. Okay, and here function location, I'm keeping BE01, and location hierarchy along with equipment installed, equipment hierarchy. I will open everything and then click. So this is my function location, Sunbreeze apartment. Within that, I'm having Splendor Tower, and within Splendor Tower, and then the flat number 101. Similarly, in Swastik Tower also, I'm having floor 2, and within floor 2, I'm having flat number 01, 201, 202 likewise. And let's say this is my flat 201, in which the split AC, refrigerator, and another split AC in another room is installed. Okay, so we are facing some issue here in this refrigerator. Okay, or let's say split AC. So we can create a notification. Okay, you can directly come here and then you can initiate for you can check the details here. Okay, but here my main purpose to create a notification through app. So here it's FIORI app. Okay, and go to create maintenance notification. So in this screen, select the notification type. This notification type, this is the KDS, key data structure. At the time of implementation, we can decide what type of notification will be created for similar type of required maintenance. So as of now, I'm selecting from the standard. It's a M1. I'll select maintenance request M1. So M1, M2, M3, and M1, M2, M3, these are the standard. This is for maintenance request M1, and M2 is for malfunction report, and M3 is for activity report. So here I'm selecting M1 and then continue. And here you can type the description. So split AC is not working. Okay, and here you can select the coding. Okay, so relevant problem. So you can maintain all these coding, all the list of problems in the coding and configuration. So here I'm just taking for one example, let's say product complaint. I'm saying product complaint, and then description. Here also I can write, this is a short description, split AC not working. Okay, what is the priority of this? Okay, priority, let's say if I'm saying high, based on the priority we can have the SLA. Okay, required start date and required end date. So here I'm just entering the required start date, that is today's date. Okay, technical object. So here we need to select the technical object. Okay, you click here, so we will see equipment, function, location. So these are the two objects here. So we can select here the what is the equipment number, or what is the function location. Okay, you can enter it. So what I'll do here, equipment, let me show you, or you can write it also. Let's say split AC. One second, let me just type it here. Just a second, please. So here, what we can do, what you want to search here. Let's say what you want to see the equipment or you want to see the function location. So you click here on the equipment, you will see all the additional search criteria based on which you can find out your equipment. So here description of equipment. So based on description also we can search. So here I'm writing split AC, split AC. Let's see. Okay, go to search. So when we are searching, see here, search for what and equipment, what exactly you are searching. Okay, so you will get the different criteria. So I have just searched here based on description. Split AC. Okay, this is my object. So click here. So this will be selected from here and then click on OK. So now your technical object is selected automatically. Then you need to select the work center here. Okay, and plant. So let's say I'm just selecting standard plant 0001. This is my standard plant, or you can select from here. Okay, then okay, okay, just okay. And these are all my work centers. So I'm just selecting the first one. Planning plant also, I'm selecting the planning plant 0001. Planner group. Okay, this is the only planner group which I'm using. So this is a work center plant. Person responsible, if any, you can select it here if it is maintained. If it is not, you will not get any data here. Then location data, we can enter the location data manually. You can enter it here, or based on the function location or equipment, you can understand what is the exactly location. Organization data, company code is coming here. Business area, cost center, you can enter it here. And the partner function details, you can select it here. So here, who is the department responsible, who is the supplier, who is the position, what is the position responsible, you can select it here. Malfunction data, you can enter the malfunction data here. What is the damage happened here? So add damage, and here damage electrical, this is electrical damaged, and I'm seeing here transmitter fault or protective device activated, some problem. I'm just selecting here, that is a damaged one. Okay, task data, whatever the task will be executed, that will be added here when you are going for maintenance. Okay, and then whatever the activities you have taken, whatever the activities you have executed to rectify this issue, you can maintain all these activities here in the later stage of maintenance. Okay, additional function. Okay, these are the, you can add into favorite, print, you can see the status information, change notification type and all you can select. So here I'm going to save. Once you are saving a notification, 1000081 is created. Okay, so you come back. Okay, and now we need to see, we need to manage this notification. Okay, so to do that, go to the manage notification list. So here in this this app, you click here. Okay, and it's very good. You can customize, you can create your own queries here. Okay, so in standard, you will see the maintenance order notification list. Okay, default maintenance notification list default 23, it is coming. So here, whatever the layout, it is a standard order, and notification type is coming here. What is the type? Okay, these all are my assembly order or notification. Okay, and this is a technical object. What is start date, end date, all these details you can see it here. If you want to navigate to the notification, you can directly click here. Okay, and here you can click here. Okay, so this is the order or notification, this is order notification here. So if you see here, 81 is, let me see it here. This is a notification, split AC is not working. So you can navigate here, it will take you to the same notification. Yeah, then you can add it and you can change the data. So whatever you're writing here, it will be added. And let's say come back here, if you want to see some filter data here in this app, you can set, you can do the setting for this. Okay, so let me do it. Just I'll go again for this. notification. Okay, manage list. So here in this order query notification, default is already open in another session. So it's already open. So that's why let me close this, come here. So let's say I have added one query here. You can create your own personalized query also. Okay. So you go to here, personalize. Okay. And you can create your own personalized query. Here you can change the layout also. Let's say if you see here, it is coming as a tab. My window is one tab. Okay, let's say if you are clicking here, maintenance order and notification list, it's a one tab. Okay, here in the maintenance notification list, it's a different tab. Okay, so if you want to see it as a link of new pages, you can customize it, you can personalize it. So to do that, go to personalize and go to layout, and here you can select link matrix. You click on apply. Here now it is coming as a link. Now it is not as a different tab. Again go to personalize. Okay, and here whatever the fields are coming, you can change the sequences of these fields also. Okay, if you want to rename the query, you can rename the queries. That also you can do. So here, one second. So if you want to see the if you want to change the query, you can change the query also. So go to change query here, and you can change this query. So as of now, you are in the notification list default. Whatever the parameters you are keeping here, this will be applied on your query. Coming back, let's say, go to manage notification. Okay, now let me change it to, okay. So here when we are checking, this is my notification. And if you want to change any status, so you can change this status from here itself. So let's say once this notification is created, okay, then it is coming to the next stage. Let's say the manager, to the manager. So manager can select all multiple notification in this app, and then he can set the status put in process. Okay, so put in process, one notification is changed, that's it. Okay, and you can see the detail of this data also here. Okay, you can check the status and all. Okay, and if you want to see the details, then again you can navigate it through this notification link. Okay, so here let's say this is notification. Let me open it. Okay, so go to edit. Here you can check the status also, set system status. Okay, it will show you system status. So put in process already there, you can complete it. Okay, additional function, if you want to see the status information, you click here on the status information, it will show you notification in process. If you are having user status, it will show you user status also. So let's say once it is assigned to the responsible person to take the action on it, for that you need to manage all the tasks here. So how you can manage? You just need to come here, add task, and select the task here. So electrical task, I'm selecting, let's say this check control is one of my tasks. Go to OK, and for this, whatever activities we are performing, you can manage it here. Okay, you can add these activities. So here I'm adding some activities. Let's say part replaced, process checked. So my once electrical engineer is visiting the site, and then he found that there is one part need to be replaced, and process checked, and entire process was checked. Okay, so after doing it, then go to the task. Here in task we need to say it's completed. Okay, so as of now you can see it is coming TSOS, means task is outstanding. So this is a status description. You can set it to complete, or if you want to go with the multiple stage of processes, in that case in first step it will be released, and then it will be complete. So here I am saying complete directly. I'm saying complete. Okay, and then we can set the status of this notification to complete. So here in very short, I have explained how you can create a notification and how you can process notification. I'll take you through the very detailed process, okay, in upcoming sessions. All the steps, what are the different field understandings in the process, and how you can take it to the next level. Okay, so thank you. I'm just closing today's session.